Okay, so now I have my 18 by 32 swimming pool, and I'm adding the deck around it now. And the deck, no matter where I look at, is going to have a width of x. So it's x tall on either side, it's x wide on either side. So I'm supposed to find the area of just the deck. So this is a lot like the photograph picture we did earlier. I'm going to take the expression for the length times the width of the whole space. Well, if I look going this way, that's 18 and 2 x's. If I look going this way, that's 32 and 2 x's. So to find the area of the whole space, it's 18 plus 2x times 32 plus 2x. And then I'm going to take off the area of the pool, and when I subtract the area of the pool, that's going to give me the area of the deck. So I'm going to subtract off this 18 by 32 pool. All right, so the part you all want to do right away, of course, is the 18 by 32 pool, because that's the least amount of work here that we could possibly have to do. Well, let's find the 18 by 32 pool. The 18 by 32 pool is going to give me an area of 576 that I'm subtracting off. All right, now this mess, though, I'm going to have to FOIL this mess. So I'm probably going to use the table method because, as you can see, it's already beautifully set up with all addition signs for me, so I shouldn't have to work too hard at it. So I'm going to set up my Punnett square here, and I'm going to do 18 plus 2x across the top and 32 plus 2x down the side. And remember, each box is the product of what's above it and what's to the left of it. So top left box has 18 above it and 32 to the left of it. Well, as you know, because we've already done 18 times 32 over here, that's 576. This box here has 18 above it and 2x to the left of it. That's going to give me 36 x's. This box here has 2x above it and 32 to the left of it. That's going to give me 64 x's. And this box here has 2x above it and 2x to the left of it. That's going to give me 4x squared. So let's go ahead and put all that together. We've got 4x squared. I'm putting 4x squared first because I tend to like that standard form or descending order that we've talked about so much lately. Doesn't necessarily have to be done that way, but I just like it. 36x and 64x are like terms, so those are going to combine to give me 100 x's. And then here I've got the 576. And remember, since those are all addition, we connect them all with addition. Well, we can simplify this, and as we can see, this is going to be really nice to simplify, because here at the end I've got 576 minus 576. 576 minus 576 goes down to 0, so that's just going to totally wipe out, and what I'm left with is the polynomial expression 4x squared plus 100x, which is going to be the area of the deck of the pool. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the last one here. We're multiplying together r minus 3 and r minus 3. How do I know that? Because it says r minus 3 squared. Squared means multiply it by itself. So this is really r minus 3 times r minus 3. But of course, I'm not going to leave it as minus 3, and you know I won't do that because we've been trying to change all these into adding to the negative so we can make our lives a lot easier. So instead of me doing r minus 3 times r minus 3, I'm going to rewrite this as r plus negative 3 times r plus negative 3. So let's FOIL this, and we'll FOIL this using the table method. Both sides, top and left, are both going to say r and negative 3. Again, I don't have to write that addition sign in the middle because we know we're going to combine them with addition as long as you've changed it all to addition. So, upper left box has r above it and r to the left of it. Well, the product of powers rule says when we multiply those together, we add the exponents. Since there's no visible exponent, it's like a 1. 1 and 1 go together to make 2. This box here has r above it and negative 3 to the left of it. That's going to combine to give me negative 3 r's. This box here is the exact same thing, negative 3 above it and r to the left of it, negative 3 r's. This last box here has negative 3 above it and negative 3 to the left of it. Well, Negative and a negative are going to make a positive. So here I have r squared, and then I have a negative 3r and a negative 3r. Well, those are like terms because they both have regular old r in them, so I can combine them. So that's going to give me negative 6r's. And then I combine this last part into that answer, plus 9, and we end up with r squared plus negative 6r plus 9. Exactly what you see right here is a solution, just changing subtraction into adding the opposite.